Hello there. Today I'm going to draw a cute elephant holding a heart, and these are the materials that I will be using. Okay, so let's start with one line across at the top of the head, just like that. Okay, and then we're going to draw the ear. And just a curved line. Okay, and then let's draw the trunk. I'm going to bring a line down, and the trunk will come all the way up, and then we're going to bring it in. The curved line like that. Okay, so let's draw the body. Okay, so we're going to draw one line down, then a line across, just like that. Okay, we're going to bring the line up and then again across, and we're going to bring the line down and across again. Okay, so now we're going to do the back part. I'm just going to make sure the lines are even. Okay, so we're going to go back up here, and we're going to draw one line all the way across and down to connect it. Okay, all right, so let's draw our little tail. So one line up, another line up, and it's sort of like a little leaf shape. Okay, for our tail. Okay, so let's add some of the details. So let's just add little arches here for the feet, and then on the other side, all across. Okay, and let's draw our eyes, just one eye, an oval shape, color in the pupil, okay, and maybe a little eyebrow, and our little heart. The elephant is holding up a heart. So a curved shape on one side, connect it to the other side. Okay. All right, so now let's color our elephant. And in the meantime, I'll share some interesting facts. Okay, we're going to use gray all around it. So the African savanna elephant is the world's largest land animal, and it's about 3 meters high, and it weighs up to 6,000 kilograms. And there's about 3 species of elephants. So there's the African savanna, the bush elephant, the African forest, and Asian. And you can tell them apart by their ears and also the size of their trunks. Elephants have about 150,000 muscle units in their trunks. Here's the trunk. And they use their trunks to suck up water to drink, and they use it as a snorkel when swimming. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to keep going around. And I'm going to go around here. So their skin is 2.5 centimeters thick. They keep their skin clean and protect themselves from sunburn by taking regular mud baths. Okay, I'm just going to shade in the inside of our elephant. Okay, and the ears, I'm going to color it pink here. Now, they also have tusks, which are actually teeth, and they continue growing throughout their lives. So they use it to help them with feeding. Okay. So they're always eating. They eat grass. I'm just going to draw a little smile here with my red, and I'm going to color in the heart. They eat leaves, shrubs, fruits, and roots depending on the season. And they need to eat at least 150 kilograms of food per day. They communicate through vibrations, so sounds like trumpet calls. They are the most intelligent animals. They have very large brains. Now, I found one fact fascinating. They're afraid of one little tiny insect, and that happens to be bees. They're afraid of bees. So we don't want any bees going near an elephant. Okay, I'm going to just color the tail here. And the little toes. I'm going to use a nice little pale pink. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on how to draw a cute elephant. You can use the drawing for, if you want to make a nice special card for a friend, or just to keep it in your little drawing book. Okay, my friends, until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.